Here we have it's a very sporty looking Volkswagen Caddy. As you can see, the side it has a side sliding door, and I'll show you what's in the back shortly. Around the front it has the front splitters, the LED lights there too, 18-inch Volkswagen alloys. It's got the splitters around the side and also at the rear. Now, as you can see, it is still written up with our business logos on it. They will be removed after the sale's done, and we are still using this daily, so the mileage will rise as well. At the moment it's sitting around 164,000. The van drives absolutely mint, really quiet, smooth, and I'll let you have a quick look inside the car now. Inside you can see these are actually custom made seat covers, real high quality, and upon googling them I found the value to be around about £300. Really thick, comfortable seat. They actually just look like seats. It's really hard to say whether they're seat covers or not just by looking at them. Quite amazing, to be honest. Other bits and pieces has been just little added extras to make it look really good. And now for the creme de la creme, let's have a look in the back. Are you a dog lover? If so, you will love this. It has custom made for the Caddy. It's a 2-dog cage with storage up top. We'll take it in here. There we go. So plenty of storage up top. LED light, which can stay on when you're driving down the road for the dogs. Lockable, both of them. LED lights inside as well. And if we go around to the side door, you still have plenty of space for carrying bits and pieces, and we also have 2 doors at the back as well. So there we have it, Volkswagen Caddy van, kitted out with the dog cages in the rear, stunning inside, stunning outside actually as well. Price is $8,495. If you're interested, give us a call, 01307 47732. Check out our website at 𝐂𝐀𝐃𝐃𝐃.co.uk, and we hope to see you all soon.